Well, good morning and good day and good Friday to all. And the weekend is near, and please enjoy Luke's mix compilation as I made up here, and got video, picture. Like I said, this is some part of Vancouver. I just found this, and then some other miscellaneous of some different kind of story kid books, and old BC Railway that used to be once running, but CN took over, sad, and some storybook covers and miscellaneous, and then about Ace, who passed away the other day from Kiss, stuff like that, etc. So decided to just include this in here. Okay, so please enjoy this little compilation mix that make it a little bit kind of kiddish but sexy or whatever.